Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Ayy, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a limitation. Hater plotting my elimination. Gotta go to Google for the information. I'm a super.
Hey guys, so I've already started doing half of this neon rainbow skull look just to save me time, because it would just take too long for this video if I showed you all of this side and this side. So I've just done one side. It still needs a couple little touches, but I'm going to basically just show you how I did the basis of this side on my left hand side. So I'm just going to get straight into this video and show you kind of how I started getting this kind of rainbow skull look. I'm just going to start off by pulling my hair up a little bit and just pull it out of my face. So to start off, I'm just going to start with the eye, and I'm just going to put some concealer on. I'm just going to use this Revolution Super Size Concealer and Define.
Alright, that's a deal, right?
We wake up to a young call. So I'm just going to go in with some pressed powder, just to set that. So I'm just going to go in with some sticky tape, put that on the edge of my eye. I'm sorry if I've got like everything on my hands, like makeup on my hands, because I've obviously done this side, so my hand is a palette right now. So yeah, I'm going to be using this black bold cream eyeshadow. This one's actually quite good and it's quite pigmented, so I'm liking that. So basically I'm just going to grab a flat brush.
That's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Got 5 on it.
what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, pulse speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna place it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have with no regret. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have with no regret. Let's live life without regrets. Girl, put your faith in me, even though we just met. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, pulse speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna place it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it. Blah, blah, blah.
I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone in affection, I summon and dub it. Cause I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell Tell me I'm garbage, I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. A phone in affection, I summon and dub it. Why you be all on my line about nothing? Why won't you go get you $1 or something? Don't hang with a who lying for nothing. I see that we different, you riding, I double. I don't do discussions on bragging about hundreds. Don't go to your places, I know that they sunken. Don't call me your brother, I barely could trust you. I talked to a shorty, she bagging the bugging. And I'ma need all of my dollars on corporate, so hand me the money, I divvy the pie. I'ma give all of my people a portion to build them a fortune on flipping the ride. I can't be mixy when iffy the vibe, and 40 on 50 is really the time. Why is you up?
Nice and fresh.
I didn't realise you're coming home.
Are you gonna put this?
No, I'm just practicing like Halloween looks.
You should have videoed it.
I am videoing it.
Alright.
I can't smile.
That's good. Look. That looks cool.
Does it?
That looks cool. Yeah.
Thanks. Let's do
That
it.
looks super cool. You know what you should do now?
What?
Draw like, you know here.
Yeah, what
You
here?
can't keep going in your eyes. You
Yeah.
should have drawn a pair of sunnies.
Oh, like
Or
nails.
like skiing goggles. That would have been, that'll look cool, that. That'll look cool, that.
I try to look so funny in this. Oh my gosh. I feel like there's something missing on the top, but I don't know what to do at the top.
Where?
Like, I want to put something up here, but I don't know what to put up
Put something there like that. Like
Do you
a chain.
reckon? Oh yeah, that's a good idea. Maybe like a... that's actually a good idea. I just don't know if it's true.
Or
What do you think?
teeth. Teeth, and then 2 fangs there.
No, no teeth.
Or mummy. A mummy wrap. A
No.
bandage.
No. I just need to learn how to get cleaner up the lines, I think. Might put my blue contacts in and fix that up.
No, your white ones.
Yeah, white ones. I don't have white ones, the blue ones.
Yeah, that's cool, that.
Thank you.
You know what you should do though?
What?
You put your hair like that. Yes, you should.
I haven't finished
You
it.
should. Yeah. 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 You should. You should, because it's recording that. Oh.
Yeah.
It's recording.